Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Let's dive in. First, open your Binance app to get your wallet address. Click Assets on the bottom right of your screen. Select Add Funds. These four options pop up. Click on Chain Deposit. Then search for USDT. You also need to select your network, then select TRC20. Copy your deposit address. Now open the Bybit app. Go to Assets. Then click Withdraw. Then select USDT. Bybit supports on-chain withdrawals to external exchanges and wallets. These two options pop up. Click On-chain. Now paste the address that you copied from Binance in the address bar. Then select the network. Remember, we choose TRC20. Here, you could put the amount you'd like. The minimum is 2.6 USDT, and the withdrawal fees is 1 USDT. Then check Funding. Now, click on Withdraw. Then confirm. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Aladdin Tricks